welcome back to another video. Today we have we're getting all the Black Friday deals online already. Some of the stores, at least some of the stores that I've been to, you can buy the battery pack and get the free tool. Not yet. I don't know if you guys see my videos, but from yesterday, I'll be sure to link them up above here on the corner for you guys. But yeah, I go to the stores basically and let you guys know the deals. And I did go over the section where they have the buy one get one free, and they're not up yet, so hopefully they'll be up soon. But they are up in here in the website, so you're able to get it from the website now, as of now. So when you get to the Home Depot website, actually before we get started, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So that'll help us out if you guys do that. Alright, when you guys get to Home Depot, just make sure you guys put DeWalt starter kit. Then you're going to start seeing a lot of DeWalt starter kits here. It's not the 5 amp hour. It's the one that has the 6 amp hour and the 4 amp hour. It's $1.99. And then once you put your screen on there, like so, you'll start getting that pop-up screen as you put your cursor in there, and then you're going to get that get one free tool with the purchase of this item. So we're just going to go ahead and click on it. Alright, this is the item. So we're going to have a 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery, a charger. This is just your standard charger. It's not the new one. I know there's a 6 amp charger that just came out. That's on the Flex Volt. And then you got a nice bag here, really nice material, thick bag there. And these are the tools that you can choose from. You can choose either a 5 amp hour battery, or you could choose a 20 volt max XR 5 inch sander, or you can choose a 20 volt max XR 3/8 impact wrench. Or you can choose the 20 volt max XR drywall screw gun, the 20 volt max 4.5 angle grinder, which is one of the older angle grinders. I know there's a new one that just came out. You got the 20 volt max 6.5 circular saw. You got the 20 volt max task light. You got the atomic 20 volt max oscillating tool. And then you got the 20 volt max XR router. 20 volt max 20 volt max blower. This is a great blower there. And then you got the 20 volt max XR jigsaw, and the reciprocating saw, which is one of the older brushed, I believe. So guys, the best deals to get with this battery kit, and the most expensive free items you guys could get with this battery kit, is this jigsaw. The jigsaw and the router, those are both I believe they're both $200. So definitely check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. Just make this a quick video. So you got 20 volt max lithium starter kit. You got, just if you guys want to double check, it doesn't have an item number here. So just make sure when you guys choose, it has a 6 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. That's the way you distinct this from the other ones. So you just want to add this to the cart. So add it to the cart, and then it doesn't give you an option to add the other tools. So we're just going to go back. It should give you an option here. It says buy one get one free, 10 items. So then again, you have on the same page here, they make it easy for you. So you can choose any of the items currently available. So I'm going to choose the router or the jigsaw. Yeah, I'll just choose the router. Where's the router at? Oh, they don't have it. It's gone. I guess it's gone. Yeah, I guess we're just going to choose the jigsaw, which is $1.99. So add both to the cart. It says... Alright, add both to the cart. Alright, somehow they're throwing fireworks right now outside. Outside my house, so don't mind that. It says view in cart. Alright, somehow I have another kit here. Oh, yeah. Because I added two different kits. So remove. Alright, so we're pretty much at 219, guys. Somehow this thing went a little bit above 199, but still you're getting that tool for free, basically. So the tool dropped down to 109.50. Save 45%. Buy two batteries starter kit at 199 and get one free tool applied. Same thing with this. It's the same thing, 109.50. So they basically split it the items in half there and gave you guys the 219 price. I know they should have been 199 because that's what they advertise it for. But pretty much that's the way it works. Alright, so we'll go ahead and delete this. I just want to show you that real quick. And those deals are live right now, so make sure you guys check them out. Alright, so we got choose one item. So we're just going to choose another item. Let's say you guys want to choose, what else we got here? Let's say we want to choose this impact wrench. Alright, so add both to the cart. Success. Go to the cart. Guys, 179, guys. Definitely check it out. You're getting this cordless impact wrench for $82.20. And you're getting the battery deal here for $96.80. So guys, definitely check it out. You got some awesome deals here. If you guys wanna return one of these, you guys can. I would suggest you guys keep them because they are smoking deals, guys. Getting a 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery and a charger for $96. That's just a steal right there, basically. So definitely check it out. You guys can do like I'll see if I can do it. If you guys want to return one of them, I mean, yeah, it's gonna ask me. Don't have an account, create an account. Yeah, so it's making me create an account. I'm not gonna go and do it because what you can do is, let's say you want to keep the tool and you don't want the batteries, you can have the batteries shipped to your house and the tool shipped to the store, and or the other way around, whichever is more convenient for you, because it'll tell you like it tells you right here. So it says ship to home, next estimated arrival November 8th, or ship to, okay, scheduled delivery starting at $8.99. So you can choose any of these two and just do it yourself, what's more convenient for you, whatever you're gonna get earlier. Anyways, guys, just a short video for today. I just want to share with you guys the smoking deals, the buy one get one free from DeWalt that we have currently at the website from Home Depot. Go and get your tools because they're going to be running out. They're going to be running low. People are going to be buying like crazy once they find out this is live. Guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.